Hi guys, this is Dan with Index Option Trading on Friday, Thursday night, which is 5/27, and this will be the last video for the week. What a day we had! 284 points up on Dow, Nasdaq 81, S&P 835, and Senate okays this thing and company restart Alaska pipeline likely Friday. Oil rebounds, Asian stocks climb, Heinz pours in 9.8% quarter, and Tiffany came in higher with the earnings, and shoppers get a little extra push, and Costco profit. Another retailer, Costco and Tiffany, they're all showing huge amounts of profit that they had never done in the 2 years. And this is not a shortage. There is no shortage of good news as the economy is rebounding here very much. And a very red hot economy in the US can do a lot. It can do 1.3 trillion in gross domestic product. So that may be the case. It may be doing it, gonna do someday. But let's take a look at it. What has happened in the last 2 years? This was the stock market when Bush was president, and this were the drops that I've seen and survived. This was 2008, and it just kept on dropping here. And Obama got elected right around here, and the stock market made a little here at March 9, 2009. And since then, we have come a long way. This was another huge dip here, a sell off, and this has been another heavy duty sell off. And the factors that contributed to this are definitely, you know what they are. The economy is definitely improving, so the stock market is taking off, and this is a 9 month chart on it, and this is the sell-offs here. Obama just chastised Wall Street about the banking reform, and they got angry and sold the market off, and then on February 5th they just couldn't sell anymore and threw the market into the up gear, and it came here till again as troubles brewed for Goldman Sachs, and Senate started passing the financial reform, and this temper tantrum ensued, and they drove the market back to the same levels as 2000 February the 5th. And now here, this stock market was crushed, pummeled, done with at 1050. And so, barely in 2 days, what it has managed to do is pull back itself up. Today was a long, big day, which is called a follow through day, maybe. It's a follow through day in a sense because this was a rally attempt and this is a follow through day. If you read IBD or Bill O'Neill, you should know those terms. And they may not call it a follow through day, but it looks like one. And the manager closed right above at 1100, which is a good sign, above the psychological level of 1100. And if it does here, then we can expect the market to continue moving higher. Let's take a look at a SPY, which closed properly. The SPY closed decisively above the 200-day moving average, which I wanted to see, and that's what I had been waiting. If you look at my videos, this will act like a barrier now, this 200-day moving average. Remember, they were not able to sell the market through this barrier. They gapped the market down, and there is no trading here. You can see there's a gap here. So they gapped the market down. It was a very hard barrier to crack, and now this has been going on here. We are closing above it, and the market definitely, as it looks, should go higher from here. But we have this downward trend line to face at 1113, 1114, and there's going to be tough resistance right here. So the market looks in a better shape, and we'll be trying to do next few weeks extract as much money as we can while we gave up money to these folks here. So we're going to take that money back from them, and that will be my goal here, to extract everything out of the markets in the next few weeks if the market seems to be going higher, because this will be much harder to sell off from here, from this beam of support. So that is all for today. You'll be seeing some new trades very soon, and I'll be working very hard to get this money back here, whatever has happened here in this last 3 weeks. It hasn't been easy for anybody, and neither for us and neither for you, and it cannot be better that we are coming back. The same people who threw this temper tantrum are bringing this market up. So that is all for today, and I will talk to you after the Memorial Day weekend.